Hello, I'm Mrs. Dawkins. I'm one of the math tutors here at Health Science Academy at Monroe Middle. I'm excited to be back. However, I am just as nervous as you are. We're going to make this work, I'm sure. Everyone is going to be able to get through everything that they need. And speaking on that, I just want to let you know a little bit about what I do. I tutor math for 6th, 7th, and 8th. This year, I probably will be more focused on 8th graders than 6th and 7th, but as we all work as a true community, they will probably use me wherever I need it, wherever help is needed. So that is for you all to know that I am here for you to help you through your math. Again, this is a different school year starting, but I know we will be able to get through all of this. You will be successful at the very end because that's why all of us are here. We're here to help you and being successful. Welcome back, and we look forward to seeing you and working with you.